here at Joe Gibbs Racing. We have 3 5-axis machines. We have 4 horizontal mills. We have multiple 3-axis and 4-axis machines. We have 7 lathes, 4 of them which have live tooling. And we have a couple 5-axis rotaries also on some of these machines. Well, we're somewhat landlocked, so we have to get kind of creative in how we place them, but we've been able to squeeze them in and grow. Our engineers, their creativity with designing and developing complex parts actually spurred us to buy some of the VC630 machines we have because it was difficult to do those in rotaries and whatnot. So we bought 3 VC630s and they've worked out wonderfully. We have about 25 machinists. Do they like the machines? Absolutely. These Doosans are nice. These brand new ones we've gotten in, well, they got that new machine smell, they eat that up. They actually try to claim machines when they come in, try to move their work cell to the newer machines because they love them. But even the older ones perform well, just as well as the new ones, so they're good machines. They're typically Johnny on the spot too. We have an issue, their service guys are in here that day or the next morning. And we have to buy parts as well to bring them in here to fix machines. And typically we get those next day as well. I am Kelly Collins. I'm Director of Manufacturing at Joe Gibbs Racing, and we are a Doosan shop.